Hello. Well, it is Choti Diwali, a day prior to Diwali, which is also considered very auspicious. And everybody is busy cleaning homes, and even they are visiting their friends and relatives. So I'm also very, very, very busy. I just sat to have a hot bowl of soup as winter has started, and it feels really nice because it isn't too cold, and it isn't cannot even say that it is autumn still. So the day has been tiring, and we in this festival, Indians are cleaning every nook and corner so that Goddess Lakshmi visits their house, or even the people of other religions in India, they think God comes and visits their homes this auspicious day. It's a very auspicious day, and moreover it looks really, really beautiful and lovely as everybody's lighting lamps and decorating the houses with colorful lights, and they are burning crackers, though people are not people do not burn crackers as they used to, because there is so much pollution, and due to corona, the this sort of uh, tradition that goes on, this sort of norm that is followed among the Indians, that has you know that is not the scene this year. That is not the scene this year, and it's good also in a way because there's a lot of pollution in Delhi, and I am from Delhi. So it's good in a way. Corona has also affected climate in a very positive way. So my urge to my friends and to the people who know me, relatives or non-relatives or whosoever is seeing this video, that do not burn crackers, as the smoke, the poisonous smoke is hazardous for little babies, little kids, to elderly people, and even to you. Even people who do not smoke, they even face more. So the city Delhi is already polluted, so much polluted, most polluted, one of the most polluted cities of the world, among the topmost. And even other metropolitan cities are getting so polluted day by day, and they also need to follow such measures. And real festival is when we spread happiness among everyone. We are sharing we are sharing happiness, and we are trying to understand people with a loving heart. If we at least take a pledge that we will be trying to understand other people with a loving heart, and try to make life more simple, that is that will be the real Diwali for anyone, because it is all about spreading love. It is all about people are sharing sweets, they gift beautiful things to others, so that they can strengthen the bond with the neighbors or friends. But the bond only strengthen when there is understanding and real care, and there is kindness first of all. And even if at times you do not want to do not wish to listen, and the subject or the opinion is not of your interest, you try to listen to that person first, so that give a listening ear, so that the communication smoothens. When first person is done with the sharing their point of view, sharing their thing, then you can share your point of view in a very polite manner. And if the other person is not ready to listen, it's better to stay quiet, because Well, I was saying that in that case, if the other person is not in a good mood or is not supportive or is negative, it's better to stay quiet or move away. But obviously, learn this thing and the communication skills. They will help to strengthen the bonds, and or at least they will promote peace. And peace is the ultimate happiness. Peace is ultimate celebration. This is what I want to say for now, and wishing a very very happy Diwali everyone, Choti Diwali. Obviously I'll come up with a lovely message tomorrow when I'm well, I am well done, like done with the little bit of makeup and well groomed with a nice dress on, and I'll show you some of the decoration that we do at our home and the puja if I'm able to do so. So this is it. I just wish everyone to be very happy, wish good health for everyone, wish happiness for everyone. Oh yes, yes, yes. I forgot something. I the One more important message that I want to convey to the friends who are lonely for any reason they're staying alone. Well, it is up to you. You are the master of your happiness. Don't worry if you're alone. Don't feel alone. Make good friends if you have any. So you can even mingle with the good neighbors, and you can try to know them, and it's a good occasion. If you do not feel like doing so, you can have a good time yourself, but don't feel lonely. It's a very very auspicious day, and it's a very very good day to even contemplate on mantras and increase your positivity and increase good luck in your life, and whatever issues are going on in your life. It's a very very auspicious day and a very powerful day to do the prayers wholeheartedly. This is what I do. So, very, very happy Choti Diwali, everyone. Stay happy and stay strong, and don't forget that you are enough in yourself.